Spotlight Saturdays, Maloof International Group spotlights a different business that's local, that's knocking out the park each and every week. Today we're here at Apex with Jason, your home security system that's going to be able to help you keep your property safe. Jason?
Thank you, Scott. We're super excited here at Apex to be partnering with Maloof International Group. Their team has shared values with our company, and we're excited to help all their new homeowners this year in 2023 with helping getting their homes protected and also getting good, clean water into their houses with our water filtration systems. We're going to hopefully do all of this without their new homeowners having any upfront costs for the services, and we're super excited to continue to serve our community together.
So you heard that right. No upfront costs for our clients. If you're looking to or need to have security for your family because you never know what's going to happen, reach out to us today. Apex Maloof International Group. Let's get it.